Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the default keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to change the default keyboard to a different keyboard on your Samsung phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this. Now, just install any keyboard which you like. For an example, I will install this keyboard. Then tap on Open. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on General Management. Then tap on Keyboard List and Default. Under the All section, just enable the toggle for the keyboard which you have downloaded. In our case, we have downloaded Gboard, so I will enable the toggle for Gboard and select OK. After you enable Gboard, then tap on Default Keyboard and select the keyboard which you have downloaded. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the default keyboard on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can change the default keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.